Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create shipping company. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create shipping company, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to transport goods from one place to another efficiently and safely, whether it's delivering products from manufacturers to retailers or transporting goods to internationally. The company's primary goal is to ensure timely and secure delivery. So first, access in back office. So you go into the back office. So we're ready here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So type the username and your password and click this login and go to the setup and locate the shipping company. So we're ready here in shipping company. So I will discuss all about of this: the name, the contact person, the phone number, and secondary phone number and address. So the name, which means of the shipping company, which identifies the business. The contact person, which means the individual within the company who serve as the primary point of contact for inquiries or business dealing. The phone number, which means the main telephone number that customer, partners, or anyone else can use to reach the company. Then the secondary phone, which means the additional phone number that may be provided for alternative contract or backup purposes. So the address, which means the physical location where the shipping company is based, which can include the headquarters or regional offices. So, for example, for the name of the company, for example, uh, Snack Joy. The contact person, Joyce Chu. Then the phone number is for like this, and the secondary number is for like this, and the address is Dumaguete City. And you can click this add new. So the new shipping company has been added. So as you can see, they appear the name, the contact person, the phone number, and the secondary phone and the address. So this is the process on how to create shipping company.